Hello friends, welcome to Savvaji. Today we are going to learn Maharastrian Vangibath recipe. So spiced brinjal rice made with freshly ground spices. Vangibath is prepared in the same way as a masala bath, and goda masala is added in these rice recipes, and this spice blend gives Vangibath is unique flavor, taste and aroma. In this recipe, we have roasted and ground the spices to prepare the goda masala, so there is no need of having a ready-made masalas. Then Vangibath is a relatively easy recipe to prepare. One pot meal which is healthy as well, does not take much time if you have ready masala powders, and cook the rice in the kadai, but you can also cook in pressure cooker. Now we'll see ingredients required to prepare this. To prepare masala, we need one small tej patta, that is Indian bay leaf, and one small piece of stone flower, that is pattar phool, and 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, and 1 dry red chili, that is Kashmiri or bedgi chili, and 1.5 tablespoon unsweetened desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 cloves, that is lavang, and 1 inch cinnamon, and half tablespoon sajira, and 1.5 tablespoon white sesame seeds, 4 black pepper corns, and a pinch of hing. And remaining ingredients are: we need 1.5 cups basmati rice or ambu mohar rice, and 4 to 5 medium brinjals or 8 to 10 small brinjals, about 200 grams, and 1 green chili chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoon yogurt or 1 medium tomato chopped, 6 to 7 curry leaves, that is curry patta or Indian bay leaf, 15 to 18 kaju, and 3/4 tablespoon mustard seeds, 3/4 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, 3 cups water for cooking the rice and more if required, and 2 tablespoon peanut oil or any vegetable oil, and salt as required. Now we'll see directions to prepare. First we will see preparing the goda masala, that is brinjal bath masala. On a low flame in a small frying pan, dry roast the all spices mentioned under the list for the goda masala, and except sesame seeds and desiccated coconut, roast the spices till they become aromatic. Then add the desiccated coconut and the sesame seeds and continue to dry roast till the coconut becomes golden. Keep stirring regularly so that the coconut does not get burnt, and let these spices cool. Once the roasted spices plus coconut mixture gets cool, grind them fine in a dry grinder or coffee grinder. Keep this small batch of masala aside, and just add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it in the Vangibath recipe, and the remaining goda masala can be kept in the fridge in a small bowl or a box, and add it to veggie dishes or dal. And then rinse the rice for a few times in water, then soak the rice in water for 30 minutes, and then drain them. Keep the soaked rice aside. Quarter or chop the brinjals and keep them in a bowl of salted water for 15 minutes. This soaking does not discolor them and gets rid of the bitterness if any. Heat oil in a large thick bottomed pan and splatter the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Then add onions and salt till the onions turn translucent. Now add curry leaves and green chilies and stir. Then add the drained brinjals along with the turmeric powder, stir and salt for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the soaked rice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the freshly ground goda masala and yogurt. Stir and pour water, season with the salt, again stir very well. Now cover with a lid and cook the rice on a low flame. In case the rice has not cooked and the water has dried, add some more water and stir gently and continue to cook the rice. Meanwhile, roast cashews in a pan till they get some brown spots on them. Instead of cashew, you can also add peanuts. Roast them in same way. Once the rice is cooked, fluff gently. Wow, Vangibath is almost ready. So now add grated coconut, chopped coriander leaves and the roasted cashews and mix well. It's perfectly ready now, and serve Vangibath plain or with a raita, hot or warm. We can also garnish Vangibath with the coriander leaves and the grated coconut while serving. So Maharastrian style Vangibath recipe. Vangibath is relatively easy recipe to prepare, and this Vangibath is different from the Karnataka version. The Karnataka version has Vangibath masala, which is a different spice blend than the goda masala, and here we added onions in this recipe. You can also easily skip them if you don't have onions or are not interested to add. Add a pinch of hing in the tempting instead. I hope you like my video, and keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.